The drop panel provides access to most of the commands that create the basic geometry. Let's look at some of the common ones, such as line. In this case, simply dragging the value out or using direct distance. Then we'll look at arc. There are many options for arc. I'm going to use the 3-point default. 3 points, the third point closing the arc. Then we go to circle. By default, radius is the value. Right-click to get to diameter, and then input the value, in this case 4 for diameter. An ellipse requires a major axis and a minor axis. Rectangle, 2 points, first corner point and the other corner point. And again, you could input values as direct distance. Going to the down arrow, we say we have many more commands, and this in case a spline. Once you click enter, the spline is created. Also in this area is the polygon command. I'm going to input a 5-sided polygon, click for the center, and a circumscribed circle. And you can just move that around, vary the size and the angle. Now by combining many of these geometric shapes, you can create drawings such as this piping layout.